Hello, this is Ali, and in this video, I'm going to talk a bit about this book, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat. It's actually one of the most famous cooking books right now in the market, and when you open the box, it comes out of the box just like this. So there is not much of an unboxing to do, so I'm just going to show you a few pages of it. It's written by Sami Nosrat, and she's Persian, and this book actually is a really nice book. There's also a series made from the book on Netflix that kind of discusses the same topics here. So let's take a look inside the book. It's actually a really cute cooking book with a lot of hand drawings, and as you can see, a lot of the art. I mean, I would say everything that is an image in this book is hand painted, hand drawn, and handwritten, which makes it an absolutely gorgeous piece of I would say literature. It's to me it's an art. It's more than just a cookbook. So yeah, as you can see, it is the pages, like even uh, the diagrams, everything. It's really gorgeous. Um, I'm not sure if it comes in other sizes. I didn't check. It was one of the daily deals on Amazon, and I could buy it because I've been checking on it for a while and I wanted to have it. Actually, my wife is more interested in the book than I am, but it is, as you can see, it is like really gorgeous book. So I'm not sure about other sizes, but you can see it's kind of like almost letter size, and I would say the text is not large and not small, so in a reading distance you shouldn't be having any problem reading this book. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Please make sure you follow my account on Amazon for more videos and reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ali.